In front of me is HonorPad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned blue. That means that location is now enabled. To disable it, click on the same now blue shortcut until it's gray. If you want to, you can also go back and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on the Location section over here. And use this switcher next to Use Location option to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!